Committee. If I am confirmed, I commit to you that I will work productively to support and defend the Constitution and this grand experiment of American democracy that has endured over these past 246 years.
For more on the unprecedented pick for America's High Court, here's CGTN's Nathan King.
Thank you.
If confirmed by the U.S. Senate, 51-year-old Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson will make history.
I share a birthday with the first Black woman ever to be appointed as a federal judge, the Honorable Constance Baker Motley. We were born exactly 49 years to the day apart. Today, I proudly stand on Judge Motley's shoulders, sharing not only her birthday, but also her steadfast and courageous commitment to equal justice under law.
Ketanji Brown Jackson has the credentials to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court. Born here in Washington, D.C., she graduated from Harvard Law School, worked for the Supreme Court Justice she is set to replace Stephen Breyer, and is currently serving on the U.S. Court of Appeals.
She steps up to fill Justice Breyer's place in the court with a uniquely accomplished and wide-ranging background. She served both in public service as a federal public defender, and in private law practice as an accomplished lawyer and with a prestigious law firm.
Judge Jackson, however, has experience beyond the elite circles of Washington jurisprudence. She served as a public defender, a position that in the U.S. defends those without the money to hire their own lawyers. She's advocated against long prison sentences for drug offenses and struck down laws that limited the rights of labor unions and ruled against the Trump White House when officials refused to comply with subpoenas. Now the fate of Judge Jackson's nomination rests with the U.S. Senate, which has already confirmed her in her current and other positions. But in these highly partisan times, it's likely she'll be opposed by most of the 50 Republican senators, some of whom have already portrayed her as a dangerous radical, saying she would be too soft on crime and she would be a far-left candidate. That means perhaps all 50 Senate Democrats will need to remain united in supporting her, with Vice President Kamala Harris available to cast a tie-breaking vote. Jackson's confirmation, however, would not change the ideological balance on the court, which currently holds a 6-3 conservative majority. During his one term in office, former President Donald Trump was able to get 3 conservative justices confirmed. If she is indeed confirmed, then Judge, maybe Justice, Ketanji Brown Jackson will make history on every decision she makes. As you know, American society is divided on issues ranging from abortion rights to voting rights, all of which are under consideration here at the Supreme Court. Her nomination will not be the only thing that makes history, but her opinions as well. Nathan King, CGTN, just outside the Supreme Court.